Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent, teaching instructor, and I want to talk to you today about unfiled back tax returns. No matter how many years, it applies for everybody and everything in every situation, businesses, corporations, everything. Is that I've worked, by the way, I've worked thousands of cases. I wrote a book about IRS settlements. Not that it's important to you, but I did. If you have unfiled tax returns, my guess is you've lost your records or you don't have most of your records. I very rarely have run across someone call me and say, hey, you want to file, and I have all my records and they're ready to go. Usually the records are all over. You may have some bank statements, you may have receipts, but listen, I've been doing this since 73. I don't think anyone's ever come in with their records in 53 years. You may be the first, but anyway, it's at this point in time that you don't have to have all your records. You just need to know that people can reconstruct your records and you don't need to go through all this crap. How's that possible? There's statistics that are available from companies that IRS accepts. And when those statistics are there, where you just put on the return, these are prepared by using, statistics. Believe this or not, IRS has never audited any of our tax returns because they're happy to get the returns. But you want to make sure they're within normal ranges. So if you have unfiled returns, you've lost your record, you're thinking what to do, you don't know what to do next, you're frozen in your mind, lovingly, this is something we do every day. It's really not a big deal to reconstruct your records. We'll be pretty close anyway. Anyway, if you need me, you can call me. Tax reconstruction is kind of what we do. We're experts in this, so you don't need to worry about it. Give me a subscription if you would. I appreciate you very much. If you need me, I'm always available. Thank you.